In this video I'm going to look at an alternative way of tackling division of fractions. This is a different from the sort of multiply and flip method. So let's start and see how we go with it. So we're going to start with an example which is 3/4 divided by 1/4. So let's write this in fractional form. So we've got 3/4 over 1/4. Now we can think of 3/4 as being 3 times 1/4, and we can think of 1/4 simply being 1 times quarter. Now we look at this expression here, and we can see we've got something common top and bottom, so we can cancel it down. So we can cancel the quarters top and bottom, and we're left with simply 3 over 1, which gives us an answer of 3. So 3/4 divided by 1/4 will equal 3. So far so good. Let's take a second example. Let's take 3/5 divided by 2/3. Right, not so obvious in this case. What we're going to do in each case is we're going to turn each fraction into something, so we've got a common denominator here. So here we've got the 5 and the 3, so we know we're going to make it out of 15. So 3/5 becomes 9/15, and 2/3 becomes 10/15. Right, now we can put them into our little fractional form. So we've got 9/15 over 10/15. We can rewrite 9/15 as 9 times 1/15. We can write 10/15 as 10 times 1/15. So once again we can cancel top and bottom, so the 15ths go, and we're simply left with 9 over 10, or 9/10. So 3/5 divided by 2/3 is 9/10. And just to labour the point a bit more, let's have a look at another example. Just check you get the hang of this. You've got 2/7 divided by, let's have 2/7 divided by 2/5. Okay, 2/7 divided by 2/5. So this time our denominator we want is going to be at 35. So 2/7 is the same as 14/35, and 2/5. Sorry, that would be 10 35, and this one will be 14/35. Bit of a slip there. Right, let's now write this in fractional form. So we've got 10/35 over 14/35. Let's look at the top one. That's 10 times 1/35. Denominator is 14 times 1/35. And cancelling down top and bottom, the 1/35 disappear. So we're then left with 10 over 14, which would actually cancel down in this case to 5 over 7. Okay, one more to come. And the final example, let's use mixed numbers this time, show it works with that. 2 1/7 divided by, say, 1 1/4. So first move, always with these, turn them into top heavy fractions. So you get 15 over 7 divided by 5 over 4. A common denominator of the two numbers is 28, so we're going to end up with 60 over 28 divided by 35 over 28. So using the idea again, we get 60 over 28 divided by 35 over 28. So that's 60 times 1/28 divided by 35 times 1/28. Cancelling down top and bottom, the 1/28 disappears. Then we're left with 60 over 35, which could be written as 1 25/35, with the 35ths cancelling down to be 1 5/7. So it works. Just a different way of doing it, something for you to think about.